The evening is quiet, the kind of quiet that feels comforting instead of lonely. Soft golden light slips through the window, resting gently on a small table where a ball of yarn waits patiently. Somewhere nearby, a cup of tea cools slowly, forgotten, as time seems to move just a little slower. In this calm moment, something beautiful is about to begin. There was once a young woman who felt like life was always rushing her forward. Days passed quickly, filled with noise, responsibilities, and expectations. She often felt tired, even when she had done nothing at all. One weekend, she visited her grandmother, a woman whose home always felt warm, as if love itself lived in the walls. That evening, she noticed her grandmother sitting near the window, hands moving gently, a crochet hook gliding through yarn with quiet confidence. The sound was soft and rhythmic, almost like a heartbeat. "What are you making?" the young woman asked. Her grandmother smiled, eyes kind and peaceful. "I'm making time," she replied. That simple answer stayed in her heart. That night, her grandmother placed a crochet hook into her hand and said, "Let me show you something that will stay with you forever." And that was the moment crochet entered her life, not just as a craft, but as a feeling. If you are a beginner, welcome. Crochet is one of the most comforting skills you can learn. It does not demand perfection or speed. It asks only for patience, curiosity, and a willingness to try. Crochet meets you exactly where you are. The journey begins with the tools, simple yet meaningful. The crochet hook is your first companion. For beginners, comfort matters more than size or style. A medium-sized hook feels friendly in your hand, easy to guide and gentle on your fingers. When you hold it, your grip should feel relaxed, not tight. Crochet should feel natural, like writing a letter or holding someone's hand. Then comes yarn, the heart of crochet. Yarn is soft, forgiving, and full of possibility. For beginners, smooth yarn in a light color is best. Light colors help you see your stitches clearly, making learning less frustrating and more enjoyable. Thicker yarn is also helpful, as it allows you to see progress quickly, which builds confidence and excitement. Before making your first stitch, take a breath. Crochet responds to calm hands and a peaceful mind. This is not a race. This is a moment just for you. Your first step is the slip knot. It may seem small, but it carries great meaning. This tiny loop is the beginning of everything. As you place it gently onto your hook, you are opening the door to creativity. Let your shoulders relax. Let the yarn rest softly in your fingers. Next comes the foundation chain. These chains are the base of your project, the quiet promise of what to come. Many beginners struggle here, making chains that are too tight or uneven. That's perfectly normal. If your chain feels stiff, loosen your grip. If it feels too loose, guide the yarn gently. Learning balance takes time, and crochet teaches patience better than almost anything else. As you move forward, you will learn your first stitches. The single crochet stitch is often the beginning. It is steady and strong, like love that grows slowly and deeply. This stitch helps you understand control, rhythm, and consistency. Each completed stitch builds confidence, even if it doesn't feel perfect yet. Then comes the double crochet stitch, lighter and faster, like laughter filling a room. It grows quickly and feels rewarding, especially for beginners who love seeing their work take shape. With just these basic stitches, you can create scarves, blankets, dishcloths, pillows, and so much more. As days passed, the young woman practiced every evening. Some days her stitches felt smooth and easy. Other days, nothing seemed to go right. Her edges curved, her tension felt uneven, and frustration crept in. More than once, she thought about giving up. but she remembered her grandmother's voice. Every mistake means you're learning. Keep going. So she did. Slowly, something beautiful happened. Her hands began to remember the movements without thinking. The hook flowed naturally through the yarn. Her breathing slowed. Her thoughts softened. Crochet became her quiet place, a space where the noise of the world faded away. This is one of crochet's greatest gifts. It calms the mind and comforts the heart. Many beginners are surprised by how peaceful it feels, how stress seems to melt away with each stitch. Crochet becomes a gentle form of meditation, a way to slow down in a fast-moving world. But crochet is not only about peace, it is also about connection. After weeks of practice, the young woman finished her first scarf. It wasn't perfect. Some stitches were tighter than others, and the edges weren't perfectly straight. But when she held it in her hands, pride filled her chest. She had made something real. She decided to give it as a gift. The person she gave it to wrapped it around their neck and smiled. Not because it was flawless, but because it was handmade. Every stitch held time, effort, and care. That scarf became more than warmth. It became a symbol of love. This is the magic of crochet. Every handmade piece carries emotion. When you crochet for someone, you give them hours of your life woven together with intention. Crochet gifts are not just objects, they are memories, comfort, and affection shaped by your hands. As a beginner, there are a few gentle things to watch for. Tension is one of the most common challenges. Many beginners hold the yarn too tightly without realizing it. If your hands feel sore or your stitches are hard to work into, loosen your grip. Crochet should feel comfortable, not stressful. Counting stitches is another important habit. It's easy to accidentally add or miss stitches, especially along the edges. Take your time. Count slowly. Even experienced crocheters count their stitches. It's a sign of care, not a mistake. And then there is patience. Some days, everything will feel easy. Other days, nothing seemed to go right. That's part of learning. Crochet teaches you to be gentle with yourself. Progress doesn't always show immediately, but it is always happening. Starting over is not failure. Pulling out stitches means you care enough to improve. Yarn allows second chances. It teaches you that mistakes can be undone, and that lesson reaches far beyond crochet. As you continue, you'll find joy in small victories, a straight row, a neat edge, a finished square. These moments build confidence and encourage you to keep going. Soon, your imagination will begin to grow, and new ideas will fill your mind. Crochet becomes part of your life, a quiet evening ritual, a comfort during difficult days, a creative outlet when words are not enough. The young woman eventually shared crochet with others. She taught friends, family, and children. Sitting together, yarn sometimes tangled, laughter filling the room, they created more than projects. They created connection. And that is the true heart of crochet. It is not about perfection. It is not about speed. It is about presence. As a beginner, you are exactly where you need to be. Your hands are learning. Your confidence is growing. Every stitch you make matters. So take your hook, choose your yarn, sit comfortably, let the world soften around you. With every loop and pull, you are not just learning a craft, you are learning patience, creativity, and self-love. One day, you will look back at your first uneven stitches and smile, knowing they were the beginning of something beautiful. Crochet begins with a single loop, but it grows into warmth, connection, and quiet joy.